Orchids, the delicate beauties that add a touch of elegance to our homes. But what if I told you that keeping them alive and blooming is far from easy? You're about to uncover the secrets of keeping these exotic plants not just alive, but thriving. Are you ready to unlock the mystery? Don't cut the spike unless it's dead. When an orchid finishes blooming, many people cut the spike all the way down. But here's the twist. Leave it be. Trim only above the node, halfway up the spike. By doing this, you can trigger a second blooming from the same spike, giving you twice the beauty without the weight. The magic of orchid fertilizer. Orchids are sensitive souls. They need nutrients, but in the right amount. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer like 20-20-20 at just 1/4 strength every 2 to 3 weeks during growth. The trick? A little goes a long way in keeping your orchid robust without risking chemical burn. Flush away the salts. Over-fertilization can be deadly, causing salts to build up in the soil. Every 4 to 6 weeks, flush the soil with clean room temperature water to rinse away these harmful salts. This simple habit can make the difference between a thriving orchid and one struggling for life. Transparent pots, the secret window. Imagine being able to see exactly what's happening with your orchid's roots. Transparent pots give you that power. When roots turn green, it means they're hydrated. But if they look silver or white, it's time to water. Plus, these see-through pots let you check for root rot or other issues early on. Use pure water only. Orchids don't do well with tap water because of the chlorine and salts. Instead, use distilled, rainwater, or filtered water at room temperature. This avoids salt buildup and gives your orchids the purity they crave. Temperature tweaks and reblooming. Orchids are sensitive to temperature changes. To encourage reblooming, keep daytime temperatures between 68 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 27 degrees Celsius, and let it drop to 55 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 13 to 18 degrees Celsius at night. This mimics their natural environment and can trigger new flower spikes. Give those roots room to breathe. Orchids hate being suffocated. Create a breathable potting mix with bark, coconut husk, and a touch of sphagnum moss to keep the roots happy and healthy. The mix should allow airflow and prevent moisture buildup to avoid root rot. Maintain humidity without misting. Orchids thrive in 50 to 70% humidity. A humidifier works wonders, but a DIY humidity tray can also keep the air around them moist without making the leaves wet. Just place pebbles and water in a shallow tray under the orchid pot and watch the humidity rise as the water evaporates. The power of cinnamon. A common spice, cinnamon is a natural antifungal. Dust it lightly on potting soil to help prevent fungal infections. It's especially useful after trimming roots or leaves. Just a pinch goes a long way in keeping fungi at bay. Ice cube watering, a hack with caution. Here's a trick for busy plant parents. Water your orchid by placing 3 to 4 ice cubes on the soil once a week. As the ice melts slowly, it acts as a mini drip irrigation system. But a word of caution, don't place ice cubes directly on the roots. Respect the dormant period. Orchids enter a dormant phase after blooming. During this period, let them rest. Water sparingly, avoid fertilizer, and keep them in a cooler spot. This phase is essential for the orchid to gather strength for its next big bloom. With these secrets unlocked, your orchids will be the envy of every plant parent. Try out these hacks, share your progress, and let us know which tips surprised you the most. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on keeping your plants healthy and thriving. Happy growing!